In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover and click interaction in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to quickly prototype a simple interaction using two frames, give them distinct colors so they're easy to tell apart, and then preview how the interaction behaves with either a hover or a click. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and head to your workspace. Open the file or page where you want to build the interaction. If you're starting fresh, that's great. This will be quick to set up. You'll need two frames to demonstrate the transition. Select the frame tool and draw two frames on your canvas, side by side. It helps to name them clearly, like start and end, so you always know which one you're connecting from and to. Next, give each frame a different color so the transition is obvious. Click the first frame to select it. On the right-hand side, look for the Fill section. Click the color swatch and choose a color that stands out. Something bold is best for a demo. Do the same for the second frame, but pick a contrasting color. This contrast will make it very clear that you've moved from one frame to the other when you preview your prototype. With your frames ready and colored, switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. You'll see the prototyping interface, including a small plus icon or blue circular node on the selected frame. Click and drag that node from the first frame to the second frame. This creates a connection and opens the interaction settings. Here, you can adjust the trigger. If you want the transition to happen when the pointer hovers over the first frame, choose while hovering. If you prefer to require a user action, choose on click. You can leave the action as navigate to the second frame and pick an animation like instant, dissolve, or smart animate for a more polished feel. When you're happy with the trigger and animation, click the present or preview button at the top right to test your work. In the preview window, hover over or click the first frame, depending on the trigger you set, and watch it transition to the second frame. If the movement feels too fast or too subtle, close the preview, tweak the animation and duration in the interaction settings, and try again. That's all it takes to add a hover or click interaction in Figma.